Okay, this is one of the problems that some of my students had trouble with, so I'm going to demonstrate how to solve it. This is going to be an example of how to evaluate an algebraic expression. And I'm going to use thinking like a mathematician number one, where I come up with a plan, solve it step by step. My plan is to substitute the actual value for the variable and then work out the problem using the order of operations. So what we are given is W is equal to 16/3. So I'm going to rewrite that W, this problem, saying 16/3 divided by the product of 5/3 and 6/15, and then I'm going to multiply that quotient by 2. So the first thing I want to do is what's in parentheses here. And I'm going to do a little bit of cross canceling. I know that 3 is the greatest common factor of 3 and 6. So there's 1, 3, and 3. There are 2 groups of 3 and 6. 5 and 15, the greatest common factor would be 5 for 5. And I'm sorry, 1. There's 1 group of 5 and 5, and there'll be 3 groups of 5 and 15. So 1 times 2 will give us 2, and 1 times 3 gives us 3. So 5/3 times 6/15 gives us 2/3. So now I'm going to go ahead and bring this amount down, 16/3 divided by 2/3, and then I'll times it with that 2. The first thing I want to do is change this division sign to multiply. And because we're doing algebraic expressions, I want to use the multiplication dot and not an x. Some people think the x is a variable when they see it. Alright, 2/3, I'm going to flip that and get 3 halves. And I'm going to go ahead and find this product before I multiply it by 2. Once again, I'm going to do a little cross canceling. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. So it's essentially just going to be 8. So 16/3 times 3 halves is equal to 8. 8 times 2 is going to give us 16. So our final answer for this item, number 10, if W is equal to 16/3, then our answer is going to be 16. Our final answer for number 10 is 16.